Hey, teka muna, kung taga South ka, makinig ka dito. Finally, Si Club by the Bistro Group is now open here at Ayala Malls, Bermosa. Si Club is a casual dining restaurant with a concept na talagang lutong Pinoy ang bida. When you dine in here, you must try their pampagana or appetizer. Kohol ni Tanggol. This is ginataang kohol. Nakakatawa dito dahil napakadali niya lang kuhanin gamit ang toothpick at hindi siya malansa. Siyempre, magpapahuli pa ba tayo sa Filipino comfort soup natin? Well, we tried their bulalo alae, sinigang na bangus, at dininding na bangus. Grabe, this is comforting talaga, especially kapag mainit yung sabaw, diba? Pero eto ha, pag lumabas to sa mesa, tahimik lahat. This is their sizzling bulalo alae. Nakakatakam, diba? Hindi lang yan. Meron pa tayo pork sisig. Meron din silang salo-salo platter. This one is chick boy platter. May siniklabang liempo, crispy pata, pinatisang manok, at may Ilocos side na puki-puki pa. Kung seafood lovers ka naman, pasok kayo dito. May seafood platter sila na may tawilis, bangus alabawang, scallop in cilantro garlic oil, at may side din na poki-poki. Of course, this is a Filipino concept restaurant. Magpapahuli pa ba tayo sa panghimagas o dessert? They have their bestseller na triple chocolate champurrado. Panalo to guys. Especially, ano pa bang kapartner ng champurrado? Meron silang kasamang fried dilis. Ito naman yung isa sa pinaka-the best nila is yung bongga bibingka. Kaya naman Southeast, kung trip mo ang Filipino food or looking for one of the best Filipino restaurant ka, try Si Club sa Ayala Malls, Bermosa.